What's up guys, this is Danny here from ABC Gaming, and today we're going to be looking at a tutorial on how to make a game in Gamemaker. And this is going to be a shooter game which involves an alien sprites from that came with Gamemaker. So I'm just going to run the game and show you what the finished product is going to be like. We're going to have an ammo icon here and a money icon. When we click the button, the mouse button, left mouse button, it shoots a bullet. After 3 hits, it kills the alien. And you gain 5 gold. We'll call it 5 gold. And over here you can see there's an ammo box and your ammo. Now it may take a while for the aliens to respawn. It's on a timer, so sometimes it can glitch out a tiny bit. Yes, here we go. Here's an alien. Now sometimes, which they haven't seemed to do, so we're going to restart the Where is it? We're going to restart the game, and hopefully this time, when we kill an alien, it will drop an ammo box. Now let's hope. If it doesn't, then okay, this is a bit annoying now because it's only spawning 1 alien. I might have to change the script so it spawns aliens more regularly. Now here we go. Now you can see the ammo moves towards you, and if it touches your gun, then it brings up your ammo by 5, I believe. So that's as far as I've gone so far. I will be going into adding stuff like towers, mines, and stuff like that, and how to use the money, bring down your money, bring up the money. But okay, so we're gonna start a new project. Now there is one problem: is I don't actually know off by heart how that game is run, or some of the scripts, so I will have to flick between them. And I'm going to show you the scripts, and then I'm going to show you like the layout of the script, and then I'm going to show you how I did it, just so you get. Now I need to find, if you lose your folder where all the Gamemaker stuff is, just go to your recent places if you're on the PC, and try and find one of these folders here, and when you click on them it'll bring you back to this. And we're going to go into space. We're going to upload our alien green sprite. Now you can click remove background, it doesn't matter, and it removes it anyways. And we're going to name this our alien. Now we're going to center him. You make sure you center him, it's quite important. Actually, it's very important that you center him. So I'm going to reload my game. Now here's the sprite. Here are all the sprites you will need. For the moment we're just going to go with the alien. You can go to objects, and for the alien we are going to create a variable health. So let's go back to our game, and we're going to go to, you need to click this blue box here, this blue ball, sorry, to create an alien, an object. Now a sprite is the image that is just it's just an image. It's nothing without it being an object. You have to make an image which represents your object. Your object has all the functions in it. Your sprite is just what it looks like. So without an object you can't have a sprite, and you can have an object without a sprite, and you'll see that later on in the tutorial what I mean by that. So we're going to go to create, we're going to go to add event and go to create event, which is when it is created, is going to set a variable health. And we're going to set the variable health, I believe it's just 3. Is that what I did before? No, I set it to 2. And it starts moving in direction, just starts moving across the screen, so it moves right at a speed of, maybe we'll go with 2. And we also need to do we'll have to do a collision with bullet, but we'll leave that for the minute. Next up is going to be our generator. We're just going to leave it at that for the minute. Now we're going to create an object. You don't need a sprite for this. This is where the non-sprite comes in. An object without a sprite, generator. Don't know how to spell generator. Now we need to create a room in order for this to work as well. So we need to click create room, and we're going to add our alien as well. So we just add our alien in. Oh no, my apologies. We don't add the alien in. We add in our generator. Now your generator will just come up with a blue circle with a question mark in it. Now that means that it has no sprite, but it does not need one because we want it to be invisible. It's just you can right click on anything there if you want to delete it. You can delete it, delete all objects, send it to the back, send it to the front. For the moment, that's all we're going to do. You click the green tick, and then we're going to go back into our generator, and we're going to add our script. So if we go to generator here, we need to create an alarm. On the create event, we need to set alarm to room speed times 1. What that means is, if we go here, I'll just create it first and then I'll explain. We're gonna set alarm 0 to room underscore speed times 1. Now, if we go back into our game, and then we need to, when it receives alarm 0, it is going to set alarm 0 90 steps. Now you'll see what that is now. If I go into the room, if we go to settings, we have the speed set to 30. So it's 30 frames a second. See the number of steps per second. So if we want it to be every 3 seconds, the alarm to go off, which is every 3 seconds for it to generate an alien, we do 90, which is 30 into 90 goes 3 times, that's 3 seconds. So you can have it as long as you want. And then we're going to, with a 1 in 7 chance, because we don't want it to be spawning an alien every single time. So we go to our control and we do test chance. We do size 7, so that means with a 1 in 7 chance. And we open up with that starting block, and we just have to create an instance alien. We don't have to create any movement or anything. You just create it relative, so it creates it relative to the position of the generators, which are here. And we don't need to do any movement, because when this object is created, it will automatically start moving because we've done the movement option in there. So now if we load, we have one generating, another one, another one, every 2 seconds. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. There we go. See, there's a 1 in 7 chance, so it's quite slow. And what you can do, I'll be doing a bit later on, when you progress up levels, we can do, if the variable level 1 is equal to 3, set that chance to lower, so it'll be like 1 in 2, and you'll see there'll be a lot more of them spawning. They'll be spawning a lot more regularly. I went into the wrong one. Yeah. Go into this new game. It's a lot more likely that they're going to spawn. Did I change it? No, I changed it in the other one. Okay. So I need to change this one to 2. I just have to keep an eye on my time. Okay, 8 minutes, so we're nearly done. This is all we're going to do for today. We're going to go onto the generator. And you see there's a 1 in 2 chance of it spawning, so you can see they're spawning a lot more regularly, which would be if it was a higher level. So that's all for this video. As you know, later on in the video you will see I'm going to save this as tutorial YouTube. Now, it's always a good idea to save your work. Just constantly save your work. And if you're having any problems with this, just message me, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe for more. Goodbye.